Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best 3D printers for miniature gaming models you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many 3D printers for miniature gaming models and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each 3D printers for miniature gaming models, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a 3D printer for miniature gaming models. First, think about print resolution, because high detail is essential for tiny figures and intricate designs. Next, consider the printer type. Resin printers usually give smoother finishes than filament ones, which is great for miniatures. Build volume also matters. Even if models are small, having space for multiple prints saves time. Ease of use is another factor, especially calibration and software support, which affect how quickly you can start printing. Durability and reliability are important too, as consistent performance ensures fewer failed prints and less wasted material. Lastly, check the availability and cost of resins or filaments before buying, since ongoing expenses can add up. Taking all these points into account will help you choose the best option for your gaming needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.